Welcome back. Since I already have the engine on the engine stand, I got easy access. I was thinking of making a type 181 thing, engine guard. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Right, I have now made the front pieces, one for each side, and the same here, back pieces. As you can see here. So now I need to change to longer bolts there and there to mount these on, and then yeah, I can start making it. Yeah, so now the front piece is ready and the back pieces there. So now I just need to cut up some more pieces and weld them together. So let's see if I can put something nice together here. Right, so a little mock-up here. I have now cut up all the pieces and bent the two I needed to bend and made a notch in this one because of that bolt. So let's start welding. Right, now they are ready for paint, I think. So let's see how it turned out first. Right, I'm happy with this. So yeah, so now they are ready for paint, and that will come in a later episode when I paint the engine. So thanks for watching, see you soon.